for apple, sweet and red. B is for bear, asleep in bed. C is for cow, eating green grass. D is for dog, running so fast. E is for egg, inside a nest. F is for fish, doing its best. G is for girl, skipping with joy. H is for horse, a gentle toy. I is for igloo, cold and bright. J is for juice, a tasty delight. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. L is for lion, making a sound. M is for monkey, up in a tree. N is for nest, as cozy as can be. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for pig, as happy as can be. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, bouncing around. S is for snail, moving so slow. T is for train, ready to go. U is for umbrella, up in the rain. V is for van, riding down the lane. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. X is for xylophone, playing a beat. Y is for yogurt, smooth and white. Z is for zoo, a wonderful sight.